I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys, welcome to another Vlogmas. Oh my goodness. Whew, we almost couple more days and we are finally done with the Vlogmas. But don't worry, I will be uploading more videos. I'm gonna try to come up with more content for you guys. So anyways, I just filmed a outfit idea, so I think that video will be up first and then this vlog. So anyways, our room is a mess because look at this clothes that I need to put back in our closet. So, and I already kind of organized some of the pants over there and clean out my closet a little bit, like not just my closet but our closet. Okay, so anyway, so yesterday you guys, I was so much in pain. I gotta tell you this. So yesterday, yesterday I woke up feeling that I cannot move my neck. Like this part of my neck I can't move up until it still hurt. Like I'm still hurting right now, like especially in my neck and my back. For some reason I just woke up, I cannot even tilt my head. I'm not even kidding you. I thought that it was just feeling like a heavy feeling. I was like laying down in the bed and I woke up like, what is going on? Like I literally woke up, my neck is hurting, my back is hurting, all my body was just sore for some reason and I don't know why. And then I realized yesterday, well the day before after that, I was the way I was wrapping the gifts, I was kind of like curving like this, like that, and I tend to do that a lot of times and I always catch myself doing that. Like when I'm doing something, like my head will just go like this, and that was like kind of like the main reason why my neck up until now is hurting. And also yesterday, the other day when I was sleeping, I didn't sleep with no pillows on, and that was also I think the main reason why my neck and my back was hurting, because I didn't sleep with no pillows on. I know it's kind of crazy, but yeah. So now I feel like a little bit better. I was stretching and I also kind of I don't know if you guys know how to like heal this ASAP, like heal it like as soon as possible. So anyways, I'm gonna just insert some couple like clips earlier today because I was helping my husband cover up our boat because it's that time, winter time, and we don't want to damage our boat. So I'm just gonna insert that clip.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
I'm gonna be making some mussel soup. So I'm gonna put this coconut milk, and it's just really easy recipe. So I got this mussels from the Filipino store. This one right here, like a big, not big, but it's like a 1 pound, I believe. No, not 1 pound, 2 pounds of mussels. I also chop up some garlic and green onions as well, and some ginger, and I think that's really it. I was gonna put some onions, like red onions, but I don't have red onions. And I'm also gonna put this to taste, which is the pink salt, and put the coconut milk that I got from Trader Joe's. And also gonna boil this corn, and I'm also gonna bake some brownie. I'm gonna bake this brownie that I got from Trader Joe's, and put the chocolate chunks so it's more chocolate. Also gonna put some tomatoes as well. I chop up some 2 red tomatoes. So I think that's literally it. I'm only missing how do you call it, the red onions, because I was gonna put red onions here, but for some reason we don't have any. So I think I'm just gonna go to the grocery store tomorrow. While waiting for the mussels, I'm gonna make the brownie. I already melted the 1 stick of butter, and I'm gonna put 2 large eggs and just mix them together. Alright, so I already mixed it together. So this package or this box already came with some chocolate chips. So I didn't put more chocolate chips because there's already some chocolate chunks in here. And I'm just gonna put I already put this extra virgin olive oil spray, and I'm gonna put the batter here and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
It's done, you guys. I'm gonna eat some soup. It's really good. This is my second bowl. My husband already ate. It's really good, you guys. And I put some crushed pepper, red pepper, so it gives you like a little bit spicy, since I don't have any jalapeno. So really good, creamy. So I'm also doing a overnight cold brew, so it'll be ready for tomorrow. I put 2 step bags from the early bird blend, and I freaking love this, you guys, for cold brew. And I got like a couple of step bags left, which is 1, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 left, and I already used 4, so it's like 10 of them in one of these boxes. The brownie is also done. I'm gonna let this sit for I'm gonna let it cool actually for 10 minutes. It smells really good, you guys. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end a vlog here because I'm so tired already, and I cannot wait to take off my makeup and actually get some rest, because I do have to go to work tomorrow, and hopefully my neck pain and back pain will go away, because right now it's still pretty sore. But yes, let me know in the comment section down below what can help the neck pain and back pain, because I don't want to like take more pills. I don't know, I just don't like taking pills in general. So anyways, I think I also tried Vicks Vapor Rub and the omega-3 liquid. It's like you buy it from the Philippines, but I do have that, like omega-3. If you know, if you're Filipino, then you know what I mean. So yes, I also taste the brownie. It tastes amazing. It's so good, and I'm also gonna bring some for work tomorrow. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
It's been said